Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the Kangaroo Mandi. The Mandi is a dish from the Middle East that is usually made with chicken and lamb, but today we will be making it with kangaroo. Come, let us see what it is. The moment of truth. Now it is the tasting time. We will be needing the coriander seeds, cinnamon, cloves, cumin, black pepper, cardamom, and aniseed. All the measurements are there in the description. We are using the kangaroo meat because it is 98% fat free, good source of protein and iron. We are using 500 grams. It is quick and easy to cook, and for every 150 grams of kangaroo there is 21 grams of protein. Three medium-sized onions, 2 whole green chilies, 8 cloves of garlic, 350 grams of the rice, and quarter lime. Since we're cooking 350 milliliters of rice and 500 grams of meat, I will be using a 5-liter pot so that it's easier for me to cook. Now we will be adding the chopped onions. Then the ginger garlic, and the chilies. Along with that, we're gonna add 100 milliliters of oil. Now I have added ginger garlic paste, so I'm not gonna add it again. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the spices that we powdered. And then 1 spoon of salt. And 1 spoon of turmeric powder. And now we give it a good mix. Grams of rice, I'm adding 525 milliliters of water. Now we are adding the meat. It will take 5 minutes for the meat to cook. I'm gonna close it with the lid and let it cook. We're adding the meat now so that the flavor of the water gets absorbed by the meat. We're going to add a couple of lime wedges. Usually in the Middle East, they use dry lemons, but since here we don't get 6-7 minutes, now we're taking the meat out. Now we're going to put the rice inside and let it boil for 10 minutes. Hello guys, now we are going to be making the masala for the meat, and to start off we will be adding the powdered spices. This is the remainder of the spices that we powdered. Now I'll be adding 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of salt, half spoon of salt, and I'm going to squeeze some lime. Okay. Now we're adding 2 spoons of oil. Now after I mix it well, then we're going to apply it on the meat. Now the meat has been marinated, and we're going to grill it on a pan until it is completely cooked. 3 tablespoons of oil, While we are frying this right now, the rice is on dum. Now the meat has been roasted and I'm going to put it in the rice. Now I'm going to put the roasted meat into the rice and it is ready to be served in 5 minutes time. Now this is our first time trying Kangaroo Mandi, and let's see how it goes in another 5 to 10 minutes. It is the moment of truth now, it is the tasting time. The rice is nice, it is well done and it's very flavorful, but the meat is a little overcooked and chewy, but overall it is a good first try. So don't forget it, try it, like it, share it.